I'm in Gardena at one of the largest Asian markets in the area. It's called Tokyo Central. It specializes in Japanese products, and I'm going to show you what a vegan buys here. Barbecued mochi is 100% plant-based and delicious. Almost all the Japanese curries are 100% plant-based. Golden curry. You basically add tofu and vegetables, and they're quite delicious. This soybean white stew is also 100% plant-based. My favorite brand is S&B curry. This one has its own plant-based protein, which is soy-based. You basically just heat and eat it, pour it over rice. Loads of different types of noodles, rice-based noodles. This is a great pad thai noodle from the Three Ladies brand. I also love buckwheat noodles. They're healthy and delicious. A lot of these miso soups are 100% plant-based, but you have to read the labels. A lot of furekake have fish shavings, bonito shavings. However, there are several that are 100% plant-based. This one is my favorite by the Mishima brand. Of course, the Japanese market is perfect for getting sushi wrappers, nori. Also in the seaweed aisle are konbu, which is great for amping up your soup base. I really like this sesame dipping sauce. It's made for shabu shabu, but it's an excellent sauce for a lot of things. Also, ponzu is really amazing. It's a bright citrus flavored sauce. Out of all of these soup bases, most of them have fish, but actually this one here is actually really good. It's by a company called Ninben, and it's actually marked vegan on the container. I use this for a lot of different recipes. Another great enhancer for soups and pretty much any marinade is shiitake mushrooms. Vegan Kewpie mayo does exist, but they don't officially sell it in the United States. Some companies import it directly from Japan, but there's this company called SSK that actually makes a plant-based Kewpie style mayo that's actually officially in the United States. And this is the one. And actually it's quite good. Okay, this looks like a pretty good deal for natto. Most nattos are sold with a fish sauce packet, but this particular one is sold with a plum sauce packet. So everything is 100% plant-based inside this natto package. And it's definitely an acquired taste. I really enjoy it. It's a great source of protein. Natto, fermented soybeans. I really like this tofu cutlet. I use it for a lot of different things. It's the house brand. This is a really amazing tofu. It's from a small company called Meiji. And they hand make this tofu every day, and it's quite delicious. They're also selling okara, which is a byproduct of tofu. And they also sell a really delicious soy milk. Miso is a great flavor enhancer. I use it when I make vegan cheeses or sauces. Generally, I buy the white miso. They got a pretty good produce section, a great place to pick up some mushrooms. Just notice these plant-based gyozas, which are great to have in the fridge, and anytime you want to have some dumplings, you can just throw them in the air fryer. They also have housewares in this giant store. The things that excite me are this takoyaki pan. I actually already have one, but this one's cast iron. And I also have a Japanese omelet pan, and it's great to make rolled eggs, and I always make my vegan rolled eggs with a pan that's similar to this. And they have all sorts of different sizes depending on what type of rolled egg you'd like to make. Okay, so Tokyo Central is actually owned by the Don Quixote group. So you're going to see a bunch of Don Quixote merchandise. And you don't have to fly to Japan. They also have like Hello Kitty, Miffy. They even have like little anime sculptures. It's pretty wild that it's quite an experience coming here to Tokyo Central where you can kind of immerse yourself with Japanese culture, anime, food, all sorts of fun things. Okay, so while I'm here, I'm going to try this brown rice vegetable burdock sushi roll. It looks halfway decent, and it's a kind of a reward for coming here and showing you around. there you have it. Thanks for coming along with me. What are your favorite Asian items that you get at markets? And did I miss anything? Anyway, so like and subscribe and encourage me to make more long-form content. Thanks for watching.